Let's build a rolling laundry folding table with built-in drawers and shoe storage. All good projects start with a pile of wood. I'm building the base out of 2x6, and what I'm doing here is installing and making sure the platform is square on the concrete, because actually the concrete isn't perfectly level, so I wanted to make sure that I was going to have no rolling hindrances when I put the casters on, so I installed it at the correct plane. And one of the really important things for this project was having, the dresser ready and at least one of the shoe cabinets already built so I could set them on the platform and move them around and make sure my supports were in the right spot. You can tell that middle support was moved around quite a bit. And then over the 2x6, I just used some of that sheeting that I used for the A-frame project and stained it the same color and put a poly on it as I was going to stain the countertop. So my brother's a woodworker, and I would love to see his face knowing that I both stained and polyurethane this under lilac trees. But he will be proud because I did sand in between each coat. So this has 2 coats of stain on it because I wiped the first stain too quickly, and then 3 coats of polyurethane. And again, at the very, very beginning, we used a conditioner. I installed baseboard and caulked everything, and also off camera I polished and then retreated the acid edge concrete with a sealer. One of the important things about this project is I'm taking and turning a bedroom into this utility room on steroids / walk-in closet. And it was really important to me because life happens fast that if I ever wanted to undo this, that I wasn't losing a lot of money, and that I could, if I need to, for resale or whatever. And so we explored a lot of different options, whether it be building custom cabinetry or ordering from IKEA. And ultimately, we came up with this hybrid solution that was supposed to be tempt, but I think this is going to stick around for a long time. Much to the theme of all my projects, I wanted to finish this in about 3 days. I think it took me 5 days, but that includes some downtime in between coats on the countertop. All in all, this cost about $1,500, including the product on the floor and all that stuff. Largely, the biggest expense was the island, and specifically the island countertop. Seeing as I had the dressers, I think I bought each shoe cabinet for around $100, but that countertop was a significant chunk. And if you don't think this thing is absolutely covered 98% of the time with laundry, you and I lead different lives. Is it a laundry folding or holding table? I'll let you guys decide that. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.